So in this particular video, we're talking about the email marketing app. So to access it, like always, you go to the home menu, click on email marketing, and by default it will to give it to create an email to create a mailing, to design a striking mail, define receipts and track its results. So instead of creating a new mail, okay, let me just go. This is where to create a mailing. You can click on new to take you to create a mailing, but we will be creating a mailing now. So these are several templates you can use to create mailing, but we'll be doing that now. Let's go back to an already created one. Okay, cancel. So this is one already being created with the subject probation extension letter created by one of the employees and delivered, and these are the whole details of delivered, A/B test, sent, delivered, opened, clicked, replied, and status. So this is it. So if you create a mail, it comes under here like the way this one is. It comes under here. So this is very helpful. The mailing app is very helpful. So if you click on it, it comes under here. So email marketing is a very important feature for every system, or every organization. Email marketing, and as well, like I said, it's in a list format currently. You can view it in a Kanban format, like here. Let me just click on it, show you in this format as well. So now this one shows you the one being drafted in queue, sending and sent. So once this email is being sent, it will come under sent. And also this two view gives you different view of how the mailing looks like. Let me go back to the list. It will give you another view. It's better, which one you understand better, that's one you go for. And as well a graph here to give you a graphical representation of the whole thing happening in the mailing app. So you can play around it, but this is basically it about the mailing app. As well, I've mentioned in several videos, the search bar very helpful to search for a particular mail. In case maybe you want to see details or features of the mail. So this is it on the mailing app. So try and play around it to understand the mailing app better.